Oh, well, hello there. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Miss B, as you can see, and welcome back to Miss B's Messy Drag Adventure, episode 3. So today in this episode, I kind of learned how to get out of bed with my old girl, Miss Purple Glue Stick, and into bed with Miss Pros-aide for my brows and for my hair. I didn't glue down my wig today, so do not come for me. But I did use Pros-aide with my brows today, and I guess I'm kind of giving away a little bit because my brows do look kind of good. And but anyway, it was a hard and fun experience, and all together it was a lot of fun. But I lost a few brows hairs on the wig, so it was quite a messy journey as always. Also, I guess you kind of can see I'm giving you a kind of new look today. I kind of felt more comfortable to show you myself in drag on camera, kind of live. So we're making good progress, we're making good steps here, and I really appreciate all your comments and tips so far. If you have any tips you can give me, I would really appreciate them. Not with just Pros-aide or glue or whatever, any kind of tips you can. I'll be happy to take them. But as always, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And without further ado, please enjoy the rest of the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys. And today we are at my makeup desk because we are going to be trying to block down these brows. I know I don't have much of a brow, but hey, a queen needs to block them down anyways. So today we're going to be using a new product that I've never tried before. I usually use a glue stick to block down my brows, but today we are going to be learning how to block down with a Pros-aide. Pros-aide is supposed to be the original adhesive, so let's just see if it works. I've seen a lot of queens do this online. I've watched a few tutorials in the past or recently to just make sure I'm doing it right. So I've gotten a few products that I think I need, and let me get those together and I'll be right back. So I'm back, and I've got all my supplies laid out here that I think I'll need. If I need anything else, we'll figure that out in a minute. So I got me a little brow brush. I think it's called a brow brush. This is just a brush with a little brushy side on one side and a comby side on the other. This is a little bit dirty from a little bit of glue that I had I used the other day. A tutorial that I watched from Raven that she uses a Pros-aide. She said that she buys a new one of these every time she does her makeup, and I really don't have that kind of cash money, so we'll be using that one today. And a powder puff, obviously your Pros-aide, and foundation or concealer to cover it up at the end, and your tried and true Coty Airspun or any other powder you have that you're using. So without further ado, let's get started on blocking these bad boys down. So, surprise, surprise, I kind of forgot to speak during the beginning of my tutorial, so I'll be in and out with commentary throughout. But my first step was just to see how the Pros-aide was going to work, so I just got it on a popsicle stick and put it all around my brow, on my brow, underneath my brow, all up in it, to see how the product worked and to see how sticky it was and how it was going to work. So we're using this glue here, and I'm trying to get it in the behind all the hairs and also to lay them down at the same time. It's getting kind of sticky, so I guess I'm doing it right. Yeah, my eyes are kind of thick and closed. I hope I'm doing this correctly. Ooh. And also I'm gonna use this brush and kind of brush them up. Oh, yeah, it caught a lash. It definitely caught a lash, so that's good. It's sticking. Hopefully I'm staying in frame. So now that I've combed the brows up, we're going to start brushing the brows up and making sure they're laying flat, only until it starts becoming really sticky, and then you know you're doing it right, because your brows will kind of feel like they're being pulled out of your head. This tongue depressor is not really working out the best. I probably should use like a little brush. So tip for next time. Okay. Okay, so this is what one eye looks like so far. I'm having trouble keeping my eye open because it's kind of like gluing my eyes shut, which I think is the right thing. I think I'm on the right track. So yeah, there's one. Let's start on the other one. Oh, oh, oh. 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 Well, girl, it is a scratch in the brow. So, and it's also making a new little wrinkle for my face. I kind of like that. Not. Who doesn't want a wrinkle on their face? I definitely don't. Ooh, girl. It is pulling. Okay, pulling. Yes. Girl, I think I've lost 5,000 eyelashes already, or eyebrows. I think I may have lost an eyebrow or two. Yes, I have. Ooh! Yeah, maybe I shouldn't pull anymore. This is gonna be one of those videos where, like, they cut at the end and I have no eyebrows left. Like I said, hey, you're on the Messy Drag Adventure, and we're getting messy today. Like, this Pros-aide shit is not a joke, okay? Alright, so, now that my brows... look at that. Did you see that? Did you see my brow? Did you see my brows? They're, like, kind of hanging on by a thread. Anyway. We'll see after how it all ends, okay? So, we'll let that dry, and I'll be right back. Be right back. Okay, so I am back. I let the brows kind of dry a minute and kind of set a minute, when I also laughed at myself when I watched the replay because whew, this is a challenge and this is a mess. But yeah, I had to watch the replay back because I was laughing at myself a little bit. So anyway, here we go. We are getting finished with this. I think next what I'm gonna do, I don't know if I should put any more down. I think it's kind of fine, but I think I want to set it with some powder. So I think that's what I'm gonna do next. We're gonna set this with powder. This is a good old Laura Mercier powder puff, and we're gonna set these, we're gonna push this powder on into the brow and set it. So that's what I'm gonna do now. 5, 6, 7, 8, go. Oh, okay, yes, okay. We're pressing, we're pressing, we're pressing. Ooh. Oh, it's definitely flat. Did I do it right? Okay. We're pressing it in. Pressing, pressing. I beat my face enough today that I don't want to kind of beat it in. So I'm just going to kind of press. Because my face has gone through a lot. Oh, look how flat that is. Oh, yes. Okay. Do you see it? Do you see it? I'm seeing it. Okay. Oh, work. And there's no like, residue on the top like glue leaves. It's kind of just laying flat, which I'm kind of obsessed with because I've always wanted a little flat brow. Doesn't everyone want a flat brow? So that'll look away. Casey, come up, please. Do you see? Do you see? Do you see? It's flat. It's flat. It's really flat. It's really flat. So I think I achieved the goal. Oh wait, so now what I saw is I'm gonna try to clean it up because I don't want the powder everywhere because I do have to put on foundation after this. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put a little bit of alcohol, on a little cotton swab, and I'm gonna swab away the excess. I have powder everywhere, but that's just what we do. That's just what we do. Oops. Oh. Okay. Yes. So, last comments. Well, no, not last comments. I still gotta do my foundation. So I'm gonna do a little bit of this Makeup Forever Ultra HD foundation in shade. If you really need to know, 173 Y445. That's what I use. So here we go. Let's try. Oh wait, I gotta brush this off first. Brush it off. Sorry, I'm a mess. This is, you know, when you do something the first time, it's always a mess. So, if you're looking for a mess, you came to the right place. Okay, so there that goes, and foundation. Okay. This is a very creamy foundation. It's not liquid, so I know that this, you know, if you use liquid, it's gonna end up bad for you. Because you don't want liquid to end up on glue. I don't know about Pros-aide though. I know glue is not a good thing with wetness. So, yeah. Anyway, just gotta blend this out a little bit. Oh, okay. Let's blend it out. Do I need some more? I need some more. And then powder to set it down, the very final powder step. So we're gonna do a little bit of powder to set that up. Oh, and voila, ladies and gentlemen. For the first time, I think, wait, let me step back for a minute. So, so with final thoughts, I think this all went really, really well. I think me and Miss Pros-aide, we've become closer friends than we, obviously we didn't know each other before. So now we're closer friends. I think I'm gonna use this from now on. It's a really, really good alternative to a glue stick because the glue stick takes such a long time to dry. It's been a great time. I've kind of lost a few eyebrows, but I mean, at least I still have some. I didn't start off with very many anyway. But yes, so thank you so much for joining me on my adventure again, and be sure to stay tuned for the next one, and thank you so much for following me and watching my videos. I really, really appreciate it. So be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and it's been messy. Till next time.